In this video, I'm going to show solutions to question 1, 2, and 3 from a 2021 paper, Internal Mathematics Paper 1 at grade 12.
2021 Internal Paper 1 grade 12. First question is simplify 2y minus 3 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket minus y. So to work out this question, what we're going to deal with first is working out brackets. Negative 3 is multiplying with x. Negative 3 again is multiplying with the negative 4. So first of all, we maintain 2y. Then we show the multiplication of negative 3 and positive x. So negative times positive, that gives a negative. 3 times x gives 3x. Then we go to negative 3 and negative 4. So negative, negative, that gives positive. 3 times 4, that gives a 12 minus y. At this stage, we're going to collect like terms. Now, what we can take note of is the first term as y and the last term as y. Then we only have one term with x, and we only have one constant. So meaning the terms that we're going to collect is 2y and the negative y. So we write 2y, then minus y, then minus 3x plus 12. Then we subtract 2y minus y. Like terms can add or subtract. So we subtract 2y minus y, which gives y. Then there's no term that is adding or subtracting with the negative 3x. So we maintain 3x. And also for the constant 12, there's no term which is also a constant. So we just leave 12 the way it is. And this is our answer for the first question. Simplify 2y minus 3 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket minus y. Question 2, evaluate negative 3 square plus 3 square. So to evaluate is to find the value of what we've been given, negative 3 square plus 3 square. Now, the power 2, which is given here, only belongs to 3. So unless if everything, negative 3, the negative and the 3 was put in brackets and then square, then it would have meant that the negative would also be multiplied 2 times. But in this case, only 3 is being multiplied 2 times. So we're going to maintain the negative and multiply 3 2 times. So 3 times 3 in brackets, because that's what 3 square means. Then plus this side, it's positive 3. So 3 square just means 3 times 3. And for that we get negative 3 times 3 means 9. Then add 3 times 3 again this side, 9. And negative 9 plus 9. So if you've worked with integers, here we've got addition of integers with different signs, negative 9 plus positive 9. And for that, the rule states that when you're adding integers with different signs, keep the sign of the larger number. But in this case, there's no larger number. Both numbers are the same. So meaning we're not going to keep the negative sign or the positive sign. Instead, we're just going to subtract, and that gives a 0. Question 3, solve the equation open bracket 2x minus 5 close bracket open bracket x plus 3 close bracket equal to 0. So to solve the equation, we'll avoid the process of expanding these two expressions, because if we expand this will just give us a quadratic equation. And to solve a quadratic equation, we have to find the product sum factor. After finding the product sum factor, we again get back to this same level. So the easier way of solving this question is, if you've seen these two expressions are multiplying, so what we just have to do is equate each of these expressions to 0 to find the values of x. So we'll start with 2x minus 5 equal to 0, or x plus 3 equal to 0. And then to solve for x this side, we just say 2x. We move negative 5 to the other side. This means it will be positive or this side we say x. When you move, positive 3 will become a negative. And further solving this side, we'll divide by 2, even this side by 2. 2 into 2, that's 1. 1 times x gives x equal to 2 into 5, that gives 2, remainder 1 over 2. Or x equal to negative 3. So these are the two values of the equation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content, please don't hesitate to subscribe and also like the video.